Salutations, YouTube. Hey, but you guys thought I forgot about you, right? Give me a second here. Well, hey, another week here following the Rat Rod Radio flyer. Got some good news to report on the 2-horse. Bought some starting ether. I got it to fire for real this time, but it would only burn off the starting ether. And through that process, one of the things I learned, I need a new gasket for where the carburetor meets the block. Luckily, I had bought one when I bought all those other gaskets a while back, so fixed that. But like I said, it would just burn off the starting ether. So I've got some sort of fuel problem. I blew compressed air through this thing, and I wound up taking the pickup tube off the bottom. So I'm gonna replace that, and hopefully that'll be the end of it. We can get this thing running. But if all else fails, here's the solution. Ba-ba-da! I bought a 5-horse off of Craigslist last week. Had some pretty good luck, actually. I haven't bought a whole lot of things off Craigslist, but I've had pretty good luck with not really having awkward encounters. So the guy I bought it from was kind of a neat guy, so I appreciated. I maybe chatted it up too much with him, spending that kind of time on a Monday night. But anyway, it's kind of neat guy. His sons both have some mini bikes and stuff, so he was pretty thrilled that the motor was going to a unique cause in the Rat Rod Radio flyer. So promoted myself on the YouTube channel, and as well as Musty one. I got you. I told this guy seemed to be into the mini bikes, so I told him to check your channel out. So hopefully you got a new follower there. So there's that. Other quick update. I went ahead and went with pillow blocks for the rear axle, and so I went cheap, right? And I may have paid that price. A little disappointed in the quality. I don't know if you can tell, but the way the bushing or the bearing's set in there, it's kind of cattywampus. So I'll have to just mount this thing kind of skewed. I guess you get what you pay for, right? Also ordered an axle for the thing, but company says it's back ordered, so I wished I would have known that before I purchased it. Would have probably just went somewhere else, but nonetheless, so well. But while I was doing there, I was welding up the step and the frame, so not quite done yet. Messing around with the old Lincoln welder settings there to get to where I need to go, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Got started on the frame, and I'll be hopefully today I can cut out the pan of the radio flyer, and then I've got some 1/4-inch plate steel for the motor mounts. So I'd like to get the frame kind of welded up there, but we'll see. There's only so many hours in a Sunday, so we'll see where I get. But thanks for stopping by. I guess I just got some more rod to burn, but until next time, peace out.